A Google form can be created in a quiz format also, where we can assign points to every question. So let us explore that in this video, how to create a quiz using a Google form. So let us create a form. Let's name it as say quiz 1. Now before adding questions to this quiz, we need to make one change in the settings here. Click on settings. Then under the quizzes tab, just turn this button on. Make this as a quiz. So that when you'll be creating questions, you'll be able to assign point values and also allow auto grading. Another setting is release grade. So if you want that the person who is submitting the quiz should be able to see the grade immediately after each submission, then select this option. Otherwise, you can select the other option that after manually reviewing, you are releasing the grades. Then next is respondents can see missed questions, correct answers, point values. So these are all up to you whether you want them to see these things or not. And then click on save. The moment you make a form as a quiz, you can see this additional answer key option over here. So let us start by adding a question. Let it be a multiple choice. So I've added 4 options and let this be a mandatory question. Next, let us click on answer key. So I need to tell over here what is the answer to this question, the correct answer. So I'll select the correct answer and I can assign points to this particular question. So let me assign 5 points and then click on done. So now this question has been set as a quiz along with the answer key also, and the weightage, the marks assigned to this question comes over here. Let us add another question. Again click on the answer key, then choose the correct answer, assign the points, say 5, and then click on done. Make it required. 2 questions have been added in this quiz and you can see the total points over here, 10, 5 plus 5. So this is how you can add questions to the quiz. The interface is similar to form only. You can use this drop down over here for selecting the type of answers. Now let us preview the quiz. So you can see that this is how the quiz looks like. You can see the points also. Just close it and next let us send it. So let me send using the shortened URL. So suppose I've sent it to others and when they open the quiz, this kind of an interface comes up. So let me submit the response. The first one, let me submit the correct answer, and for the second one, let me submit the incorrect answer. So my response has been recorded. View score, I can view the score. So the first answer was correct, you can see the tick marks over here. The second was incorrect, so you can see the cross, and it is also showing me the correct answer, as well as the total points that I got 5 out of 10. As you know, one response has been recorded and the same is reflected here also in this tab. If I click on it, I can see that response. And just like in forms, I can open a sheet and see all the response that have been recorded. Let us create the spreadsheet also for this particular form. So the spreadsheet now has timestamp along with the answers and also the score. So you can use this spreadsheet if you are recording the name of the student also, as well as the email addresses and the roll numbers. Then you can maintain the record of the score also. Just like form, if a quiz has a deadline, you can then after the deadline you can just turn it off so that it will stop accepting responses.